I'd like to tell you guys that every single success story I've met, when I say success story, I mean people who have come to me, I'm talking thousands of success stories over the years of people making anywhere from whatever, 100 grand to $1 zillion. And the one thing that people always tell me, you guys, again and again and again, is that every single one of them had a point where they're going to throw in the towel. They want to hit their head against the wall. They want to give it up. And what I love so much is they said, oh my God, and actually, you guys are so inspirational. Your mind is 10,000 times, don't quit, don't quit. If he can do it and she can do it, they can do it. There's a zillion people doing it. Why can't you? And they fall back in that memory, realizing that every business, we start from scratch. We all got to start somewhere. Every business in the world, there's a zillion people that are successful. So knowing that there's a zillion success stories in aesthetics and everyone was in your shoes, if they can do it, you guys, I promise you, you can do it too. But you got to have a dream. You got to have a vision. You got to have a plan to get there. You can't just go out there and stumble through it and hope it works out. My favorite quote, I say it all the time, a goal without a plan is like a ship that sets sail, no destination. So you got a dream of where you want to be in 5 to 10 years. You have a plan to get there. And then you got to believe in yourself. And you got to know it's going to suck. And you're going to stumble and be frustrated. That's just part of the process. It's always part of the journey. But I promise you guys, once it all starts coming together, and I don't know if it's going to come together for you guys in 3 months or 6 months or 2 years, but it will come together, provided you don't throw in the towel. Once it starts coming together, you look back and you go, wow, that was the best decision I ever made. So I love hearing that from across the world all the time. I hear all the time. That's what excites me. That's what fuels my passion. That's what my purpose is in life. I just love hearing that.
Both Lou and I are weird. We both like being the most loved person you've ever met in your whole life. So anyway, hopefully that's good. Hey, we just ran 15 minutes over, but do you know the Luminous 755 Alex /106?
Yeah, Luminous is a great brand. They're one of our partner vendors. They have a 755. Is it a 755 1064? Is that what you have?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, they actually have, I think that's an older one. They have a much latest data system that's kind of just came out recently, and it's called, God, we have it here in my spawn. I'm spacing on the name. Splendor. I think it's Splendor X or something like that. But yeah, really good devices. They're really, really solid devices. I like them a lot. I like them a lot.
I think we got to all the answers. I think we did it.
Awesome. Well, you guys, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, also hit me up on Instagram at Louis the Latest Guy. Any questions that come to mind, if you got a question that comes to your mind at midnight tonight, just hit me up. I'm always here for you guys, and we'll keep these sessions going. So bring your struggles, bring your ideas, bring your comments, and as you're going through this journey, we want to go through it with you. We want to help you get to the finish line faster. That's our goal. You will get to the finish line, but if we can help you get there in 1 year versus 3 or 6 months versus a year and a half, that's really our goal. And having fun along the way. You don't want to stress out. You don't want to struggle. You want to have fun along the way because life's too short, right?